They say kids.
10 lines essay about woodpecker. The woodpecker is a beautiful and interesting bird. Woodpeckers are a little different from other birds. It has a strong and sharp beak. This beak is used to remove the bark from the trees, detect insects to eat. It has a very long and sticky tongue used to catch the insects. The sharp claws help them to hold the sides of the trees. The favorite foods of woodpeckers are fruits, insects, nuts, and acorns. These wonderful birds live in the trees in the dense forest. The life duration of a woodpecker is 4 to 11 years. Woodpeckers can often be found in a lot of countries. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.